What's going on? Thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited to have you, and I'm really excited that you're using our Etsy integration application, the integration app to connect Etsy and Shopify by ShopFunnel. I'm really excited to have you today. I'm going to be talking to you about the main core functionality of our application, what we call automations, and I'm going to show you how to set one up. So once you install the application and you connect your shops, you'll see a page that looks something like this. This is the test account with some information in it already, so it may look a little bit different for you, but the concepts are still the same. So I'm going to click the Create button, and this is going to open up a create a new automation page. And this is going to look something like this. We're always improving our product, so if you're watching this now, you're getting in at an early time because we're developing some really exciting features which you're going to like. But let's talk about the first automation type that I want to introduce you to, and that's syncing product listings. And to take a step back, you could think of automations as an ongoing job that our systems will do for you. So rather than hiring an employee to sync information or copy and paste things manually or do some type of job or task, automations do these for you. It runs all the time and it works 24 hours a day, 365 days a week, seven days a week. I got that messed up, but you get the point. It's always working for you, so you don't have to, right? Our whole goal is to help automate your workflows and make you more productive with less input and manual work required. So with that said, that's what automations are, and you can read more about them. I'll link to a help article, or this video will probably be in a help article. But the automation that I want to introduce you to today is syncing product listings. So if you run a shop and you have products that you sell in your Shopify store, but you also sell them on Etsy, this automation is going to be perfect for you. Typically, what you probably do is you create something in one place and you have to go and recreate it in a bunch of other places. That's no longer the case. So let me show you how this works. We're in the Create an Automation page. We're going to click Sync Product Listings. That's the connection, or that's the automation type. And we're just going to give this a name. The name is really just to help you keep things organized as you use different automations for different things. And you're going to see this. So we'll give this one something like this is fine. It's descriptive enough. And that summarizes what we're going to be doing here. So when we create a new product in Shopify, I want to automatically recreate that in Etsy too. So let's go ahead and click Continue. The trigger, and again, this is exactly what we just mentioned. What's going to trigger this automation? When I create a new product in Shopify, would we like to automatically clone that in Etsy, or vice versa? I'm going to keep this option selected and click Continue. And it's going to bring me to step 3, which is a simple field mapping. And basically, this is telling our systems, hey, what information should we use when we create this product listing in Etsy? For most options, it should be the same. So you should use the same product name you do in Shopify, also in Etsy. So you can see that's kind of what's happening here. And there are a couple fields that you cannot currently edit. This is by design, but if this is an issue, please message us. And then we're going to scroll down here, and these two we do need to select. So this is going to be the Etsy category and then the Etsy shipping template. And each one of you sellers should obviously know what these are going to be. But if you have any questions, as always, you can open up the live chat in our application, and we're always happy to help. So this is field mapping. Pretty self-explanatory, I hope. We try to make this as simple as possible. And again, this is just telling our systems which pieces of information or which fields do we fill out and with what information when we create the Etsy product listing for you. And if anybody's new to Etsy, you should keep in mind that this is going to run automatically, and Etsy does charge, I think, 20 cents to list a product. So keep that in mind. But we're going to go ahead and click Continue. And then just like that once you double check, make sure everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and click Launch. And now what this is going to do, you can see we're back at the dashboard page, and this is live. What this is going to do is every time you create a new product in Shopify, it's automatically going to recreate that in Etsy. So let's go ahead and do that right now to see how it works. So I'm going to go to Products. I'm going to click Add a New Product. And the product we're going to be selling today is my breakfast. Is a protein cookie. They're very good. If you guys want to gift to the team members anything, gift us protein cookies because they're delicious and they're nutritious. So we're going to call this, we'll just call it cookie. And this is the best cookie on the planet. It has 20 grams of protein. Booyah. They're pretty good. They're good for protein cookies. They're not good compared to normal cookies. Okay, media. Let's get some images. What we can do here is take some images right now. Boom. We got an image of the front. How about we do an image of the side as well, just to see how thick the cookie is. Or maybe we do the nutrition facts. That's a better idea. Boom. Okay. All right. Let's add these images just to keep this demo fun and exciting, right? All right. We've got some images here. This is going to upload to Shopify. It should only take a few seconds. Boom. Looking good. Not the highest quality photos, but you get the point. This is just to keep the demo interesting and fun. All right. We're going to reorganize these. Here we go. Price. This isn't in USD. This is just a development account, or a test account rather. So it doesn't really matter. Okay, looks good. We'll call this cookie 1. If we want to add some variants to it as well, we can do that. And you can obviously just fill in your workflows however you normally would. Peanut butter. Okay, those are our options. And one quick note, when you guys are creating your products, I recommend making sure that all the information is filled out before you click that save button. Because our systems are going to listen for any new products that come up in your Shopify store when you set up this automation the way we just did. So that looks good. Cookie, we got everything that looks good. Okay, great. We're going to click save. And then just like that, our systems are going to do the work for you. So our systems are going to automatically take all this information. We're going to follow the field mapping settings that you defined in the automation, and we're going to create that inside of Etsy for you. So let's go ahead and jump over to Etsy. And just like that, there you go. We can see the cookie product is in our Etsy store with the same exact fields that we used in our field mapping settings. So that's how it works. That's how the automations work in our application. That is how the product listing automation works. One free tool that I should mention, or a quick note, is this is going to take effect for any product you create now moving forward. So you never have to worry about recreating these again. If you do want to get our products from the past, I would recommend checking out our import tool. But check that out for past products, and for all future products moving forward, you can finally automate yourself out of this task and give yourself some more free time by using automations by ShopFunnel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to message us if you have any questions with our support chat in the bottom right corner. Talk to you soon.